I'll explain to you proper care of your tubes for your tube amplifier. First, you want to make sure when you're transporting them that you don't rattle it too much. All the tubes are going to have little filaments in them, and the more that they're rattled, the more wear is going to go on them. The next thing is you're going to make sure that it's properly ventilated. After you have your amplifier on for a little while, the tubes are going to heat up really hot, so you're going to make sure that it always has a free flow of air. And the other thing is that these tubes will wear out. The hotter that you run them, which means the louder that you turn up, is going to cause them to lose life faster. So you're going to probably want to change them if you're playing with it regularly. Probably about once a year is when they're going to start to run out or start to not sound as good as they used to sound. So, if you're using it every day or at least, a couple days a week, after about a year, you're probably going to want to replace all your tubes.